Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have digital SAT math question, a type of a question actually, from the topic of functions. Let's dive into it. If the function q is defined by q of 4x is equals to 6x plus 3 for all values of x, what is the value of q of 12? A is 9, B is 18, C is 21, and D is 24. In this part of the video, if you like, you can just you can pause the video and you can give it a try to solve it. Afterwards, you can just check for your answer. And Q, my son is in the background. He's making some noise. Sorry about that, but what can you do? 12. 4x and 12. 4x is equals to 12, and we will just divide both sides by 4 to find the value of x, which is 3. So to find the value of q of 12, we will go ahead and substitute 3 for the x. So 4 times 3, 6 times 3 plus 3. So q of 12 will be equals to 18 plus 3, and q of 12 is 21. So this is the final answer for this specific question. I strongly suggest you to go to playlist section in our channel. Look for the functions playlists, and if you would like to practice more about the functions, SAT type of questions that are we created for you, I want you to specifically solve those questions and practice by just solving them. And thank you for watching the video. Let's select the choice C as the answer for this problem. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.